Humans were meant to explore. We were pre-programmed with urges and desires to seek out new and exciting places to experience this thing we call life. One of the strongest urges I've felt while living on the road is simply to be close to water, to hear it flowing, to watch it glisten in the sun, to drink it, to wash with it, to simply live with water close by. Today, we drive deep into the woods of British Columbia in search of, you guessed it, water. Got some turkey chorizo up here. Getting some sweet peppers all heated up. Look at this. Right on this beautiful creek. This is insane. I literally pulled up Overlander and in no joke, like a minute, maybe two, I found this spot. It said secluded river. My two-wheel drive van got there and I was like, oh, easy. We got here easy peasy. But look at this. There's like this gorgeous little like swim hole right here. The water is a little bit cool, but if you sit out in the sun long enough, you could definitely use this as a nice little swim hole. I wish I had my RC jet boat. The rig did great on the way in. Not really knowing where I was going, just kind of like, I think we'll be good. But let's check our veggies right now. Making some quesadillas again.
Do you like bigger pieces like this, or should I do the little ones? You like the little ones?
I like the ones you did before.
The little ones. This will hold up, so the little one.
Boom, there you go. Right by the river. Nice.
Come on and join us, Cuds. Ooh, that cheese pull. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, quesadilla on the creek, baby. Cuds, you just decide to cross? You can go if you want.
Scared.
I know. I did.
It's good.
You like it? Yummy?
Yummy. All right, well, that was fun. Some locals actually came here who've lived here for 35 years, and a lot of really, really nice people. I want to tell you about that while I wash the rug. I'll just toss it in the river here and wash it. But yeah, they were like, how'd you hear about this spot? And I was like, Overlander app. And they were like, oh, there was another guy here who said he heard about it that way, and they were really just interested that people had heard about this spot and that had come to this spot because it's super secluded and amazing, like local swim hole. Their main message was, it's cool that you're here, just respect it, leave it, you know, as you saw it. And so they were really cool about it, and that's what needs to happen. So I'm spreading that message to you guys that anywhere you camp, just respect it, leave no trace, and we can keep enjoying these beautiful public lands, and our future generations can enjoy them as well. So we got our rug pretty much washed. I guess you could call that a wash. We got our cups from Skookum, you betcha.
You betcha, bud.
Such tourists. I love it. With, oh yeah, Skookum though. Yeah, thanks Mike for the cups and the e-bikes. That was a blast. But we're such tourists. Look, I got, these are my touristy hats from the trip. The Banff Canoe Club, officially a member now that I rented a canoe once. Yep. Revelstoke, Skookum, Bike and Ski. Pretty much an OG, because it's my second time there in like 2 years. So, yeah. We got the cups to prove it. Hey, you ready to do some swimming?
Swimming and working.
Swimming and working. It's gonna be like a little bit of work day, a little bit of chill day. I haven't done any work yet. Well, I guess you could say I am right now. That's fun. It looks like Hawaii up here. Hawaii. So. Hawaii. Hawaii.
Well, I was trying to get work done on this nice, peaceful river until the crazy neighbors started raving.
What are you doing out there?
I'm a little music there. Local nice kind gentleman told us about some abandoned houses. He said there used to be a bridge here, and then that way if we hike in there's some abandoned houses. We gotta check those out too. Look at that beautiful sunset. So tonight for dinner we are gonna make a poke bowl. I'm gonna make a little sauce with mayo, soy sauce, garlic, minced garlic. We're gonna use some of this. That looks weird, but it's good, trust me. Red chili pepper flake, smoked salmon nuggets, tequila lime pepper. Yeah, red one. Woo! Rhymed my reason when I chop an onion, but not today. I'm gonna be a sauce boss right now, and I'm gonna put my sauce in this bag, and we're gonna cut this little slip out of the bag and just. Okay, this looks really good. Oh wow, this is kind of harder than I thought it would be. Feel that?
Yes.
Does it? Ugh.
Is it gross?
I don't like it. What do you think? Eat some.
Which one did you bite?
That one. Ugh. I mean, it doesn't taste too bad. It tastes like salmon.
Salmon jerky.
Yeah, Wally really spoiled me with all his fresh salmon from Alaska. Chop up this weird salmon. And it's cut. Officially a sauce packet. try it out. Amanda thinks I put too much sauce on mine compared to hers.
Way too much sauce.
Whatever.
For this tiny little bowl.
I'm a sauce guy. I'm a sauce boss. You know, I gotta have my sauce. Especially with this beef jerky salmon that's a little sketchy. But I don't know. It looks like a good bowl. I think we did good. Let's see here. Mmm.
Not bad.
It's got a lot of poke bowl vibes. So you like the sauce?
Yeah.
She loves. Good morning, Coda Girl. Coach is gonna be really cold though. I want to hold. Oh, come here. I want to hold her across so she doesn't get wet. We're going across the river, bubs. Oh, that's better, so you don't get all wet. Come on. Let's go. You said that way. On our way to the old abandoned houses that are back here in these woods. There used to be a bridge. Little 2-track through the woods. Codes is stoked. Running through this ditch here. Codes is stoked. There it is. I'm starting to see some structures up ahead. Apparently they're pretty vandalized over the years, which is unfortunate. Wait, I just had thought maybe that's what the locals do though. They tell you to come here and this is where they kill you. No, we're not in a horror movie. Look at that. Wow. These aren't as old of buildings as I thought they were. These look like they were pretty nice not too long ago. Yeah, what a nice place in the woods. Die. That's nice. Whoa. Yeah. And then this one says welcome. I don't think we need to go in there.
You don't want to go inside? Welcome.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah, be careful there. Watch out for all the, look at all the mouse poop. This is disgusting in here. You smell? Oh my God. Leave or die. That's a little scary. I don't really like that one. It's probably my least favorite. Yeah, she chased us the other house. Screw 2020. All right, I think we're gonna leave instead of, let's like do the leave instead of die. Leave or die. Yeah, let's just leave. You come in. I just remembered, that's what the local lady said. This was an old logging camp. Hey, 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 not right there. Come here, come here, come here. Not right there. That's a full-on swim, Bubs. Let's go. We don't need to be doing that to you. Come on. She's funny. She wanted to go and swim right there. Come here, Bubs. I'm gonna carry Codes across the river so she doesn't get all wet. She doesn't like being carried. All right, back in the truck. I think it's time to pack up and head into the United States of America again. thank you for watching this episode. Comment what you think, like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one if you are down to mob.